In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export invoices in Zoho Books. Exporting your invoices is a quick way to share records with your accountant, import data into spreadsheets, or keep a clean backup of your billing history. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your Zoho Books account and have permission to view and export invoices. With that said, I'll walk you through the exact clicks you need, along with a few tips to make the export work the way you expect. Start on your Zoho Books dashboard and look to the left sidebar. Click on Sales. This is where Zoho groups everything related to revenue, like customers, estimates, and of course, invoices. Next, click on Invoices. You'll land on a list of all your invoices. If you want to narrow what gets exported, apply your usual filters first. Things like status, customer, date range, or currency. The export will respect whatever view and filters you're currently using. Now, move to the top right area of the invoice list and click the three dots, sometimes labeled as the More Options menu. This is where Zoho tucks away actions that aren't shown as big buttons. From that menu, hover over Export. Don't click yet. Just hover to reveal the export choices available for this page. When the submenu appears, click on Export Invoices. This tells Zoho you want a file containing the records from the list you're viewing. You'll see a prompt asking you to choose the export format. Select your file format, CSV or XLS. CSV is a lightweight, universal format that works well with almost any tool, including Google Sheets and database imports. XLS is designed for spreadsheet apps like Microsoft Excel and usually preserves number formatting a bit more cleanly out of the box. If you collaborate with a team that uses Excel heavily, XLS might be the friendliest choice. If you're moving data between different systems, CSV is often the safest bet. With your format selected, click Export. Zoho Books will compile the file based on your current filters and sorting. If you have a lot of data, give it a moment. Your browser will begin downloading the file automatically. If you don't see it right away, check your Downloads panel or any pop-up blockers. The file name typically includes a timestamp so you can tell when it was generated. That's it. You clicked Sales, opened Invoices, used the three dots menu, hovered on Export, chose Export Invoices, picked CSV or XLS, and then clicked Export. Repeat this process anytime you need a fresh copy of your invoice data, and remember to set your filters first to get exactly what you want.